Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here. So for a while now, a couple of people have been asking me about when I will reopen my virtual assistant course for sign-ups again, and I've been telling everyone to be patient, and the reason for that is because I've been working on something different. Now, a while back I had launched a virtual assistant course that was working through teaching you how to start a virtual assistant business online from anywhere in the world. And in the past, I've also taught my friends, colleagues, people around me, people that contacted me, friends of friends, how to start a business in different capacities as much as I could. But the truth is, there are two problems that I ran into. Number one was that with teaching people one-on-one, I didn't have enough time to cover all the people that were asking for my assistance. And number two, when I created a course, I realized that people needed more support besides just the trainings that I had provided inside of the course. Now, something else that has also arisen in the last 2 years is that as people from Africa and even the Caribbean where I currently live, we have very unique issues and challenges that we go through when we try to start an online business, and that can range from prejudice up to things like struggling with payment collection, how to talk to clients, where to find clients. We face a different type of challenge whenever we want to start an online business, which is why I decided to pause on my course and create something that will address all the problems that had come up in the past 2 years, which is why I'm excited to announce to you that I'm launching a new community called Grow Talent Africa. Grow Talent Africa is a community for you to build an online business as a freelancer, offering your skills online and making money online in order for you to create the kind of life that you want. And this particular community is going to be different from anything you've ever seen before, and it's the first of its kind because I'm focusing on helping and training African and Caribbean entrepreneurs, and I'll be showing you the skills that you need. We're talking about strategies. There will be live calls, there will be Q&As, there will be assignments, and there's going to be a whole lot that is going to be happening. If you want to learn more about this community and you want to sign up for the waitlist specifically for Grow Talent Africa for when we do launch, then I want you to click in the link in the description to get more information and sign up. Now, I want you to use an email that you actually open, because all the people who join the waitlist will get first dibs. They will get the first information. Everything will go to their email, and they will also get special pricing that you won't see anywhere else. So if you want to be one of those people, then I want you to click on that link in the description and go to sign up. And don't just sign up alone. Tell a friend, tell that friend to also tell a friend, because the goal is to build the biggest community ever, and I don't want you to keep it to yourself. I can't wait to see you inside of the waitlist. We'll be launching very soon, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Bye.